These are rocket stoves. This is a double burner. These are made by a Grover Rocket Stove Company in Utah. This is a double burner. Got to really have a big skillet and need a lot of fire to go, but it's good for boiling water, cooking fish. We're going to use the little one tonight to cook burgers on. So basically what you do is you stuff a little paper in the top of it. I like to get it going a little bit. Keep feeding it a little oxygen, let her get rolling. Then just take some of this small stuff. Once you get a decent flame going, and stick it down the tube. This is basically a chamber that's insulated all the way around. So when you get a fire going in here, it gets really hot. And it's very efficient. It uses very little wood. We're going to cook our whole burgers tonight with just what we have here. That was just a couple of little pieces of a 2x4 and a couple pieces of mesquite to get it a little bit hotter. Basically what you do is you just put some of this small stuff in the chamber. The bottom's open here, so it's drawing air like a chimney, and it burns really efficient. You get almost a full burn, and I just basically kind of stuff this thing full of wood. So we've got a pretty good flame going now. We're going to add this is just a flat iron pan from Lodge, cast iron. Put it on and let it start heating. We're just going to do some burgers. You can see we got a pretty decent flame coming. Add a little bit of cooking oil just to keep them from sticking. So as the wood burns down, all you really need to do is keep pushing the tips closer into the fire. And they burn so efficient and so hot that you don't use a lot of wood. That's what's really neat about a rocket stove. So we're just going to keep pushing them in. This is a great stove to take on camping and hunting trips. We take it dove hunting. We take it everywhere because you never know when you're going to need it.
Alright, so the burgers are about done.
So when you're done, pour your grease down the hole, put your skillet off to the side. This is the wood we started with. We cooked the whole burgers with only half of the wood we needed. I pull some of it out and dump it in the hole to burn.
Unless you want to save it.
Yep. Let it burn out, and we're gonna go eat. This is Ben and Mark. This is a Grover rocket stove. It's the best rocket stove you can buy.